Triple P, Pistol Packing Pilot. He's got 1,000 Sub GAW coming up. And if you remember the 500 Sub GAW, where he gave away all this silver, he gave away a 10-ounce stacker to a content creator, this time he's giving 11 people a shot to win a kilo. And I have a brand new kilo here, still with the bubble wrap and still with the plastic protection to represent what the victory is. So there's 10 people, 10 random videos, 10 random comments, but that 11th slot, that's for me. That's for a content creator, somebody that's wanting to do a video, to send people there, and to help Triple P, Pistol Packing Pilot, get to 1,000 subscribers. So my question is, why would somebody, and I'll show you what a kilo looks like, because they are beautiful, especially when they're perfect. You know, perfect covering, protection. It's pristine. And he trusted me to handle it just like he would handle an airliner, right? With complete care, telling his passengers it's gonna be okay. I'm here, I'm in control. Now this is going to give you a look at what his wife and family thought when he told them about what he was thinking about doing.
In retrospect, it seems like a pretty bad idea driving out. It's been one disaster after another.
Yeah, it's been a real drag, Dad. Maybe we can try it some other time.
Now if you have kids in the room, please cover their ears, use some earmuffs, because what you're going to hear is obscene, but it's hilarious.
I think you're all fucked in the head. We're 10 hours from the fucking fun park and you want to bail out. Well, I'll tell you something. This is no longer a vacation. It's a quest. It's a quest for fun. I'm gonna have fun and you're gonna have fun. We're all gonna have so much fucking fun we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling zippity-doo-dah out of your assholes.
So we are in your trust. We trust that you're gonna take us, you're gonna fly us. We'll get you to 1,000. But when we get there, we want you to give away this kilo. And it's precious. This is a precious metal, just like we are precious cargo. So you're the leader of this community. We're gonna help you get there. And when we...
Quarterback's arm was going forward, and it's an
Oh, man, what a call that is.
That's the worst call in the history of all sports. All the air was let out of the Oakland Raiders. After that happened, we never recovered.
Oh, cut. So let me talk a little bit more about that kilo. So he did send it to me. He said, hey, use it in a video. It'll be funny. I'm glad you have multiple, because this one now has a little bit of a nick in it, a little bit of a ding. I think it's still 32.15. It just has a little bit of character. So I'm sorry, Triple P. I'll make it up to you.
He said, I am crazy and I am savage. Well, we're about to see exactly how savage I am.
I gotta be crazy. I'm on a pilgrimage to see a moose. Praise Marty Moose. Holy shit!
Dad, you want to ask her something?
Don't touch!
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.